Okay, Mick here for Andertons TV at NAMM 2017. I'm here with Masaki at Providence, who has some interesting new products for 2017. For anyone who doesn't know, Providence is an extremely well-respected, high-end boutique pedal maker. I first came across you guys maybe 10 years ago with products like the Heat Blaster, the Chrono Delay. I know that was not quite 10 years old, but
right.
And the first SOV big format.
Oh yeah, that big one, yeah.
A lot of reputation formed there. So Matt Schofield, for example, British blues guitarist, he used the SOV for years, had a charge pump in it, cool pedal. Anyway, I won't go on too much more about that. So for NAMM 2017, Masaki, we're talking about switchers.
Yes. We have two new switchers, which, this is PEC4B, is basically a successor of our PEC04 switcher. We had to discontinue just about 6 months ago. And this new one is with some update with the DC 9-volt power supply. Now we actually transplanted our DC 9-volt power supply, ProVolt 9, and 100 milliampere out on each, and we have total of 400 milliampere output. And it also loaded with the vitalizer circuit, which is the active impedance converter, sort of a buffer, but that we actually make. And you can also bypass it, but for a better signal, because more you actually have the jacks or pedals connected, you're more likely to lose your tone. So in order to prevent your tonal loss, we actually convert the signal into low impedance, and for healthier and better and less noise tone. Yeah. And the new one, actually, this is we're going to be releasing in about a couple of weeks. We should be able to release it by March. This is actually specifically designed for bass. The difference between this PEC4B and this BFX1, Bass FX Control, is it actually has a built-in preamp circuit transplanted from this dual bass station, which we are known for the clean tone and versatile. So not only you are able to switch those pedals, but also you have built-in preamp. So basically you are able to control everything in only one. And also loaded with the Vitalizer B circuit, which is specifically designed for bass or down-tuned guitar, instead of the Vitalizer WB that is more for standard tuning guitar or just whatever other purpose. But Vitalizer B is more for specifically designed for bass or those instruments. And it doesn't have the DCL, but this preamp, nobody actually has made the preamp, built-in preamp circuit on the switcher, and we actually getting a lot of buzz in Japan, and we're excited to announce this new switcher in the bass market.
Sure. Okay. Thank you very much. So some interesting switching stuff there. What I find interesting about that is it's not super common for switchers to include power as well. Masaki may have been saying that. I'm finding it a little hard to hear in here because it's so noisy. But okay, so switchers and guitars. I'm not entirely sure whether these will come anywhere near Andertons, but there are more and more amp and effects companies now going into the guitar world. What's the story with your guitars?
The biggest difference of our guitars compared to other guitar brand is most of the manufacturers going for how beautiful it is or what kind of maple or wood they use. But for us, since we started it from cables back in 1996 and pedals in 97, we learned all the how important electric component and circuit board is, how important the signal flow is. So our approach is revisiting the inside of the cavity and delivering the healthy, vivid, clear signal. Yep. And we designed our own pickup, which is called Espresso, and also we use the Wilkins bridge, and the whole everything is all our original design, and just delivering healthier, vivid signal, and artists can focus on perform instead of getting stressed about anything trouble or noise or any of the issue they may face on stage or recording.
Yep. And again, I'm sorry if I can't hear everything you're saying, but the vitalizer is built into each guitar.
Correct. You can also bypass vitalizer and turn it on and off, and you can hear the difference. And it depends on the situation. Where you only have one cable, you may not need it. But let's say if you have a huge pedal board, that'll help you prevent losing signal, and it cuts through the mix really well. And also the bass actually has the built-in preamp circuit too, just like the switcher.
Great, there we go, Providence 2017. Masaki, thank you very much for your time. Cheers, man.